So this is one of two pinafores that was donated in 1998 by, we think, the wearer, who lived in Woodstock. It was worn to university and college functions. It's made from blue velvet, 3/4 length, and it has this lovely Liberty print called Hera, which is of a peacock feather in a brown colourway, and it's detailed on the chest, the back and the pockets, as you can see here. The pinafore is also decorated with this purpley blue piping work that's on the shoulder straps and around the chest detail, and I'll just turn it over and you can see the back. This is the back detail of the pinafore, and as you can see, the purple blue piping work fabric has also been used for the many buttons that go down the back and the loops for those buttons. And if we look inside the dress, we've got the AnnaBelinda Oxford maker's mark on this skin coloured lining material. So the second pinafore is this pink colourway of a Collier Campbell print. The actual design is used throughout this pinafore rather than for little details on it, and the design differs slightly at the shoulder straps and the hemline. At the shoulder straps you can see that it pans over the shoulders a little bit with this scalloped effect, and at the hemline it's not only quilted but it's slit at the side and there's a curve as it goes into the slit, so creating a very different effect to the other pinafore. They both look very comfortable garments to wear.